What's up, curious minds? Do you want to know about possibly the biggest scientific discovery of the 21st century? That's right. Today, we have got something amazing for you, which, if true, will be game-changing for the world. We are talking about the superconductor LK99, and it has the potential to change your life forever. From superfast phones and computers to maglev trains. Yes, levitating trains will become extremely cheap and common, making normal trains a thing of the past. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you're excited to know the truth about LK99. A quick disclaimer before we begin. Labs and scientists around the world are yet to replicate this experiment as we speak, so take everything with a grain of salt. To understand why this is such a big deal, first we need to know what a superconductor is. Let's dumb it down for you. A regular conductor is just a material that allows electricity to flow through it, like aluminum and high voltage transmission lines or copper wires in your house. The problem is that as electricity flows through these materials, they meet some resistance, and that resistance causes heat. That's exactly why our phones and laptops heat up and why power lines need to run at very high voltages. It's really not ideal. Now, superconductors are materials that can transfer electricity with zero resistance. That sounds awesome, but the problem is that they only work in super cold temperatures, like approaching absolute zero, or under extreme pressure, like Ocean Gate Titan pressure. And that makes them nearly useless for all practical applications, with a few exceptions like highly specialized MRI machines. But now scientists from South Korea's Quantum Energy Research Center have claimed that they've developed a superconductor called LK99 that operates at room temperature with ambient air pressure, causing chaos in the scientific community. And surprisingly, cooking this stuff up isn't that difficult. You just need some lead, phosphorus, and copper. It could open the door to things like quantum computing and frictionless transportation, and dramatically improve energy efficiency. It can make running MRI machines and nuclear power plants really cheap. Electronics would become faster and more efficient. Medical tech would become cheaper and more accessible. Now, before you get too excited and start investing all your money on levitating train stocks, let's find out the truth about LK99. LK99 does exist. However, there is no conclusive evidence that it acts as a superconductor. First of all, the paper published by the Korean scientists is not peer-reviewed, making it less legitimate. Peer reviewing means getting your paper checked and approved by other qualified scientists in the community. Also, no one has been able to replicate this experiment yet. Imagine Bigfoot. Every once in a while, a person comes up with claims that it exists. The case of superconductivity at room temperature is similar. In 2020, a scientist by the name Oranga Diaz claimed something similar. However, it was deemed false after peer reviews. Later, it was found that there was data fabrication involved in his original paper. The controversies surrounding LK99 don't end there. Some people claim that a few members of the team did not give consent to publish the paper, suggesting that they don't seem that confident in their own research. Questions have also been asked about LK99's zero resistance. Some scientists claim that it is not clear in the paper how they achieved zero resistance. Also, no heat anomaly test was done, which is a standard test for any superconductor. And finally, Peking University has done the exact same experiment and concluded that LK99 is not a superconductor. Now comes the big question. Will LK99 change the future? We will know for sure once the big labs and scientists can replicate this experiment. However, we are allowed to dream. If LK99 is indeed true, then its possibilities are endless. Forget the Nobel Prize. These scientists will be known as modern-day Einstein and Newton. So what do you think? Is LK99 a breakthrough or a bust? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.